This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Chop 200 g of chocolate into uniform 1 cm pieces so it melts evenly. Place a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, not boiling. The water should be about 80 degrees. Once the bowl is perched, add chocolate and stir slowly. This prevents scorching. If using cocoa butter, add 50 g when the chocolate is mostly melted to smooth texture. Make sure to wipe any condensation. Water will seize the chocolate, so be vigilant as you melt and combine. Once mostly melted, you must temper to stabilize shine and snap. Heat dark chocolate to 45 degrees, then cool it to 27 degrees by stirring and adding seed chocolate or working on a cool marble slab. Make sure to monitor temperature closely. Inconsistent heat causes bloom. After reaching 27 degrees, gently reheat to 31 degrees for molding. While tempering, you can fold in flavors. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, or 1 tablespoon toast. Pour tempered chocolate into molds, filling to edges, and tap firmly to release air bubbles. Once smooth, cool at about 18-20 degrees until fully set. When unmolding, handle briefly. Store finished bars in an airtight container at 16-18 degrees, away from light and humidity to prevent bloom. If something goes wrong and the chocolate seizes or thickens, don't panic. Gently warm it over the double boiler and whisk in 1 teaspoon neutral oil or a few drops of melted cocoa butter to restore gloss and flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.